video. I don't even know if you can see me. I don't know. I'm gonna blow some air out of this tank. Let's go for doing that, huh? Okay. Everything is in my way to get to where I need to go right now. I made it. 90 PSI should do it. Works now. Okay. That should be clean. Alright. Lock is on. Okay, yeah, I guess I should be over here checking this thing out. So, watch out, watch out. Alright, so yeah, push, make sure the sock is on here. Looking inside here, see the wires are down. Make sure nothing's weird, everything's up, these connections look fine, everything here looks good, this all seems solid. You got some little plugs on there for you, and there's the part number. Okay, I believe it goes in this way, because that's the only way I think that I can go in. We're gonna pause because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it does go down in this way. can't see a motherfucking thing. Alright, I need flashlight. Not flashlight. Flashlight. Okay, what the fuck? Is it supposed to go in there? Because that ain't where it's fucking landing at. Oh, there it is. See that? Did you see it sit down in there nice? Yeah. Okay, yep. So there's, if you didn't see, oh no, I can't get it out, which I'm okay with. There's two tabs, and the two tabs are not directly in the center. They're off to this side of the tank. So you can tell, but you got to look in here. Let's see. I don't think I showed the inside. Let's put the light right down in there. Did I show the inside? Oh, there we go. So that's it, and it sits right in there. Dang. Stop. There's lots of these signs. Stop. Yep, you'd be scared of that if you'd like. This one they make us fucking cut off. They're serious about it. Stop, we said. Stop. What is this? Yep, okay. Thank you. Now, sending unit. So these are off-centered towards that way. Nope. They're off-centered the opposite towards this side of the tank. So I'm assuming it's just gonna make its way down in the tank. Bang. That sat down in there. The first one, yep, and there's a second one down there. Okay. Oh no. What the fuck? Oh man. Well, okay, now it's a rescue mission. That's what's gonna happen now. Alright. Do we have the tools for this rescue mission? Okay. Yeah, let's see. Damn. No. I need flashlight, not camera. Okay. Uh-oh. Where'd it go, though? Man, let me see. It's right there. Ready? Go. Hey. Hoo-wee. Did you see it? Now what is the problem? This apparently is the wrong part. Unless that rubber's got to be a huge Huge piece of rubber. Okay, so what? What? Well, I'm not happy about that. We gotta put these rings on. What? Look at this. I mean, it is just jammed in there. I even pulled some of it up already, but I mean, it's stuck. Okay. Ooh. That goes underneath. Excuse my language. Also, it sits down in the ring. Look at, I'm dumb. There's a ring in there that it sits in. Okay. Ooh, that feels better. I'm getting excited now. I guess maybe I didn't have to do this ring. Because it's just a review. To the notches, right? Fuel pump housing assembly, hanger assembly installed. Now, maybe, oh, just maybe, I gotta take this one out. I'm so dumb. No, I didn't. Same thing on this side. There is a depression circle around it. Yeah, this set it up. I had to slide it under this one in the back before it would sit down. Okay, so now it's underneath the gaskets. Yep. I think it'll work. Yep. New sending unit installed. There's just something about a grounding strap. I don't see a hole here, but I don't see a reason why you can't drill something. Especially here, there's a meet right there, no problem. No problem, I'll fucking drill it out. We'll get there. I hear the cats. They're fouling about. Now we take the gas cap. This pressure release, so if you push the key and you press it before you turn it,